to break through to bourgeois university community section. We're scared. Municipalities' ability to protect their environment in sensitive areas away, as well as jobs, manufacturing, healthcare, etc. It's very bad. It is PA Union at Western, we thought we could do the most good by raising awareness about CETA, and I am joined here by Daniel, and are you with any organization?
I'm with Occupy London.
Oh, there you go. You can see the banner there, and I'll stand up so you can see the banner. Could you tell me a bit why you think talking about CETA is really important for maintaining our public services?
It just seems to me that privatization is the way of the future, and that's not a good thing. I mean, Canadian sovereignty is, governed by the fact that we own everything within our country to a certain extent, but over the last 25 years we've just seen a significant decline in that in terms of public utilities, drive test centers, even healthcare services. And to me, that's not Canadian.
Thank you, Daniel.
Welcome.
We'll get one last look at the banner, and of course the famous CETA puss.